Alright guys, if you wanna increase decimal points on Microsoft Excel, here's the quick video for you. First of all, as you can see, here is my geometry test results. So I want to make these results like not round numbers actually. So I want it like 2 decimal points after this round number. So how you can do that is quite simple. Just simply select this one like this. You can select the whole column like this. You need to select the home tab, and then from here you need to select this option called increase decimal. So if you click once, then as you can see we got 4 decimal points. So we need to decrease it up once, twice, and then you can got the increase of the decimal point, as you can see. So that's how you can increase as well as decrease decimal points on Microsoft Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.